Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this. This is a GlutenNull superfood bar. So there you go, hemp energy bars. And this was on sale. Certified vegan, as you can see. Where's the nutrition? Alright, let's look this up. So they were on sale, but this is actually, they were actually on sale, but they were kind of pricey for what they are. How small they are. But let's take a look at the ingredients. Alright, so hemp hearts right there, walnut seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower, prunes, raisins, coconut nectar. So yeah, it looks pretty clean. So let's do a quick taste test. Alright, there it is. It's got a nougaty taste. Very similar to a Larabar or a Larabar slash Eat More candy bar. That's what it sort of reminds me of. I don't know if you guys remember those Eat More bars, which were, you get them at stores, they were kind of chewy. Think of that combined with like a Larabar. Sort of what you get. It's got a little bit of a slight bitter note from the hemp seeds, but it's not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.